My friends, today it is a very special day. We are celebrating Mexican Independence Day here in Playa del Carmen in front of Palacio Municipal. It's going to be a spectacular night with a lot of events, a lot of things happening here. And I'm here with my friend Charlene, all the way from Belgium.
Hola, bonjour à tous mes amis en Belgique.
So stay tuned and make sure you watch the full video for a lot of fun here in Mexico. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Maximo.
Where are you from, Maximo?
I'm from Mexico, but I live in Belgium for 14 years.
Wow, Belgium, but you're from Mexico. So is this your first time here in Mexico? Independence Day?
Yeah, Independence Day is the first time. Originally, I'm from Veracruz.
Veracruz, say hi to all your Veracruzanos friends over there.
Hola, Jaretos.
Jarochos, is that what you say? Jarochos, all right.
Bon, les amis, on se retrouve bientôt.
Ajá, let's keep enjoying Mexico. Que viva México, cabrones. What do you think about Mexican Independence Day?
Oh my God, actually it's very fun. It's a lot of people and wow, I can smell a lot of food, delicious food. The people vibes are very nice, very friendly. I'm really enjoying this.
Oh, this is amazing. So, for those who don't know, all Latin Americans, excluding Panama and
Believe.
Belize.
Yeah.
Did you tell a little bit about the history?
Actually, all Central America countries celebrate the 15th of September Independence Day. That is amazing because they are independent from Spain. A lot of people don't know that is Nicaragua, Guatemala, Honduras, Salvador, Costa Rica, and Mexico. So it's very similar, the cultures and actually the celebrations. But the only difference is that here in Mexico, they made the yelling of independence.
Yes! ¡Que viva México!
Without the cabrones, they said it, but we said it with cabron.
¡Cabrones! And I'm here with my new friend. Tell me, what is your name?
My name's Paul, guys. Thanks for having me on your channel.
Yes, of
Great
course.
to meet you guys. I saw these sexy ladies dancing down the street. I was like, damn, I'm following. I was in the middle of a conversation actually with my old housemate, and we were just like, okay, see ya. I was like, there's content here for sure. You know?
Yeah, so where are you from?
I'm from Dublin, Ireland.
Oh, okay. Hello to everyone over there in Ireland. Woo!
Yes,
So
yes.
tell me, what do you do here in Playa?
So I'm a photographer, vlogger. I've been doing other things online, but I'm now fully dedicating myself to photography because I built up my following and my network here
Okay.
in Playa del Carmen. So people are booking me a lot for sessions. And
Amazing. I already love you. We're going to create some amazing content. Let me ask you, how do you like the Independence Mexican Day? Have you been having a good time so far?
yeah, I mean, I just got here a couple of hours ago. I was actually on the beach all day taking pictures. I had my sombrero. So I go out on the beach with a sombrero and Mexican football shirt to
Okay.
like llamar la atención, to like
Uh-huh.
create a buzz and a vibe.
For Latinas.
Yeah. All the girls in their bikinis. I said I'd come out here, see what the vibe is. We're going to be saying Viva México pretty soon.
Yes.
Yeah.
And here we say, and we're going to end up like this. Que viva México, cabrones. Que viva México, cabrones. Woo! And for those wondering about security here in Mexico, well, they got top-notch security, policemen everywhere. So I feel pretty safe, comfortable. Actually, ambulance for those, if you need an emergency here. So it's a big event with a lot of people and a lot of excitement. So security here, for me, I feel safe. Let's keep exploring. And for those of you that want comfort and relaxation, there is hotel rooms all around the palace. So as you can see here in the balcony, there is a great view for your relaxation and comfort during the entire show. ¡Hey, amigo! ¡Que viva México! ¡Woo! ¡Viva México, cabrones! ¡Que viva México, cabrones! ¡Que viva México, cabrones! And we're about to witness el grito de Dolores. What can I say? It was an incredible night tonight. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Mexico is so rich with culture, music. Pepe Aguilar and everybody was so amazing today, my friends. I'm going to ask my friend Charlene. Charlene, my God! What was your favorite part of the entire night?
The tacos were incredible. It was so tasty and I just loved it.
All right, so are you ready to do this again?
Of course!
All right, well, stay tuned for another adventure. Charlene is going to be with me in a couple of more episodes. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And of course, comment what was your favorite moment of this Mexican Independence Day. And like we say here in Mexico, ¡Que viva México, cabrones! Woo!